Welcome. This is a full body mobility routine to increase range of motion and strength. For this class, you might want to have some pillows or blocks nearby, and we'll begin seated. If sitting cross-legged is intense today, no worries. Feel free to place a pillow under your seat, as many as you need. Really explore here with modifying this pose. You can rest here, or if the knees are sitting quite high, place pillows or blocks under the knees. This will help support you without straining the body. And if sitting cross-legged is just too intense today, no worries. Go ahead and sit on your knees and just place a pillow or blocks underneath your seat. You can have the knees a little further apart so you're sitting between the feet. You also have the option to just plant the feet on the mat, keeping the knees bent. And when you find your seat, sitting nice and tall, tucking the tailbone, inhale, lift the sternum. As you exhale, softening the shoulders. Begin to circulate the head, warming up the neck, feeling out all the clicks and ticks. And we'll go opposite direction. Now circulating the shoulders. Opposite direction. We'll begin to find some organic movement here in the shoulders. Just moving however the body needs. And using this moment to connect with the body and let go here. We'll come back to center. Begin to shrug your shoulders up and then down. Perfect. Making a fist with both hands, begin to circulate the wrists. Once again, feeling out all the clicks and ticks. Observing how the wrists are feeling, noticing where you're feeling that stretch, if any. And we'll go opposite direction. Now interlacing your fingers and make a wave motion. Take your time here. This can be a little bit tricky, so mind-body connection here. And also the more you do this, the more easier it's gonna be. And we'll go opposite direction. This time will be a little more difficult, of course. It's not our most comfortable side. So slow it down and really just take your time here. And we'll release. Take a moment. When you're ready, begin to circulate the waist, finding some organic movement. Feel free to even just rock side to side if that feels better today. We'll release. Come to tabletop, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, dropping the belly, gaze up for cow pose. Exhale, rounding through the spine, gaze down for cat. Continue syncing breath with movement, moving at your own pace. And really observing the body here. Again, we're not just moving, we really want to be here and be present with the body. So observing how the upper back feels as you puff up the upper back. Maybe you're feeling a stretch along the spine or in the hips. And then observe the front body as you drop the belly. Maybe as you inhale, dropping the belly, you feel that stretch in the core. And we'll come back to center, rounding through the spine. On an exhale, dropping the hips towards your feet. As you inhale, come all the way back up. We'll continue flowing through this movement, moving with the breath. And we'll cross the ankles, come to laying on our backs. We'll go ahead and rest the left ankle over the right and begin to circulate the left foot. And we'll release, switching sides. Release, hugging the left knee towards the chest or as close to the chest as you comfortably can. Or you can even keep the foot planted on the mat. And wherever you are, begin to open and close the knee, crossing it over towards the right, and then allowing it to fall back open towards the left. Using your hand as support if you need. We'll begin to draw a circle with the left knee. And your circle might look a little different than mine. It might be more of a square. You know, as we're starting to connect with the body, this is time that we have to really get to know the body. So this is where we're going to practice finding that movement, finding that space. So don't worry about what it looks like right now. We're still building that strength. We're still building that range of motion. Just be here exploring the movement. And then begin to draw the circle in the opposite direction. And release. We'll switch sides, right knee towards the chest, or resting the right foot on the mat. Begin to rock the knee open and close. See how far left you can bring that knee, and then how far open you can bring the knee towards the right. Go ahead and begin to draw a circle with the knee. Take your time. Opposite direction. And we'll release. Plant the feet on the mat, elbows in line with the shoulders, or resting the arms towards your sides if that feels good. Begin to rock the knees side to side, so just seeing how low you can get the knees here. We'll go ahead and hug the knees towards the chest. And we'll exhale, take the feet to the bottom of the mat, hands to your sides, palms facing up and open, preparing for Shavasana. Using this time to fully let go here, just being present with the body, with the breath, observing all the work you just did. Taking this time to bring nourishment into the body. And this time isn't necessarily for sleep. Really use this time almost like you're reading a book. So you're reading the entire body. You're going through the body and just feeling anything that does start to surface. Maybe even noticing the breath. Whatever it is, just be here. And gently begin to wake up the body, wiggling the fingers and toes, rocking the head side to side, bending the knees. When you're ready, rolling over towards your right, full inhale. And exhale. Gently come to seated. Inhale, hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.